Yo, this first order is Jack in the Box, $11 going 2.5 miles.
There you go.
Thank you. You too.
Like, well, you're right, but no,
Accurate.
there's a lot of things that
I'm tilted already. Next order up is a McDonald's, $7.25 going 4 miles. Well, they definitely changed their pin on the map manually and didn't bother to change the address because it was like 2 dead ends like this, and the gap in between my fingers you could not pass through. So they were over here and the GPS was over here. Super annoying. It says, leave the bag on the hood of the black truck on the left, next to the fence. Thank you. Assuming you mean this. Next up, we've got a stack going to the same person. This is Angel's Donuts and Black Rock Coffee. $20 going 8.5 miles. Thank you.
Take care of yourself.
Yep. Thank you, you too. One down, one to go. But this is the one that I was worried about. Coffee in the morning on a weekend. We'll see. Okay, luckily they are not busy yet.
Thank you.
Somehow that still took forever. Next order up is for Sherry's. This is $9.25 going less than 5 miles.
Got a juice there too, okay?
Only one drink?
Yep.
Gotcha, thank you.
You're welcome.
Next up, we've got a stacked kitchen table cafe. This is $16.50 going 6 miles.
So here's one.
Okay.
It's these 2 bags.
Gotcha. No drinks on this? No.
For your second order, it's gonna be a couple of minutes, okay?
Okay. Do you know roughly how long it'll be?
No, not really.
So it's gonna be this one. It's gonna make like the French toast or something. Yeah, there you go.
Thank you.
And it's like instead of putting it in a bigger box.
Next up, we've got a 7-Eleven. This is $10 going 5 miles. Thank you. Thank you. I got my next order right away. This is McDonald's.
Chicken sandwiches.
$9.25 going 4 miles. Don't knock or ring doorbell, just leave at door. You got it. Next up, we've got a stack going to the same person. This is Black Rock Coffee and Muchas Gracias. $15 going 6.5 miles. Thank you.
Have a good evening.
You too. Thank you.
Yeah.
You too. Next up is a McDonald's. This is $7.75 going 3 miles.
Yours?
Next order up is for Jack in the Box. This is $13 going 3 miles.
There's them.
Thank you.
Thank
You too. Hello. Just dropping off for John.
Oh, sorry, no, you must have the wrong address.
Okay. Let me give him
Can
a
you give him a
call.
call?
Yeah. I mean, I'm right outside the address they gave me. Obviously, it's not the right one, and no answer to my calls or my message. Sucks for them, I guess. Now I gotta find somebody to give this food to. I have 3 bags, so pick one.
Well, just grab me one and...
I have no idea what's in them, so good luck.
Cool, thank you.
Yep, have a good one. Got my next order. This is a shop and deliver for alcohol. $11.50 going 5 miles, only one item. I don't think I recorded it. I ended up having to ask an employee to bring me some from the back. So we're good on that. And I asked her if she wanted a random bag of Jack in the Box, and she said okay. So I'm trying to get there quickly so the bag doesn't get all greased up and nasty. There's that. And I took a burger out of this one, so that's why it's open.
Perfect.
I don't know what's in the other one.
Thank you so much.
Have a good one. Just got a stack. It is Round Table Pizza and IHOP. I believe total it's gonna be like $25 going 10 miles.
What's up with the GoPro? Oh wow.
Yeah. Maybe I should have actually gone for the IHOP first because that took forever. That's one way to park.
Here you go.
Thank you. You too. Next up is a Seize the Bagel. This is $9 going 4 miles. Thank you.
You have a good day.
You as well. Got my next order after this. It is a Starbucks, $9 going 4 miles. Please knock when you leave it. Yeah. I didn't mean to look, but as I was driving off, I saw him open the door, pick up his Starbucks. Dude was rocking his undies and nothing else. But anyways, I've got like 5 minutes left of storage on my memory card. So I'm just gonna call it here. Current time is 12:33. Current total is 151. And I have like 3 Uber tips yet to come in. So maybe like 170-ish. I honestly lost count. This week alone, I received free food for one reason or another 4 different times. That is unheard of. First time was Voodoo Donut. They sent me to Krispy Kreme, which was kind of weird, but they never replied, so I ended up keeping those. Second time was a Jack in the Box. Sent me to a duplex and they didn't specify which one it was. I just waited it out because they weren't replying. Ended up keeping that one. You guys saw the third time. I got a free donut at Angel's. Very sweet. And today, 3 bags of Jack in the Box. Sent me to, I'm assuming it was the wrong address, but didn't reply, so got to keep those. Gave those away. But anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.